Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today I'm bringing some LED lights. So these are the floor lights, pretty much. If you want to put them on your driveway, this will be a perfect solution for you guys. Now, they come a set of four, and you can set them up any kind of garden or area that you like. There's dusk to dawn lights, and there's two different modes, of course, that they come with. We have the white mode, and then we have the yellowish mode. So I'm going to take a look at it and see how well it works, and if it's even worth it. So if you guys like this kind of stuff, let me know. So let's go ahead and continue. All right, they give you these stakes that you mount or you actually put on the ground, and they're not that hard. They're just pretty much like a puzzle piece. They pretty much integrate together as one, and these 4 points actually are the ones that actually hold on to these 4 points in the bottom, and you just stick them down to the ground if you guys can see that, right? So you just put them down, stick them down to the ground, and you turn them on. Of course, there's an on button here, but prior to use them, make sure you charge them. All right, so let's go ahead and turn them on. So first of all, I like the nickel plated color. This is an awesome color. It's stainless steel, of course. It's waterproof, resistant. Solar panels right above it, so wherever you mount it, you're gonna get a direction of any kind of solar. Now, be aware that they do have batteries in there internally, so just to let you know, they do need some charging. Most of the times it's like a 2 lithium batteries in here. We're not going to open this one, but you could replace them down the line if you ever like them so much that you want to continue using them, you can. So right now we're going to turn them on. The feature is dusk to dawn. They automatically turn off as soon as they become super dark. So let's go ahead and kill all the lights. All right, just to let you know, if you see the button, it is protected for the elements out there. So it's plastic in there within plastic, and the button's on and off, very simple. There's only one mode that you can do. I haven't removed these covers, but I kept them out there charging. So I am going to remove them right now, and we're going to start using them. All right, we're going to go ahead and kill all the lights in here. Let's kill all the lights, and they just turn on if you guys can see it. All right, so these are perfect lighting for those that are outdoors. So you want to maybe have some steps that you want people to see. You can actually glue these on the bottom or double-sided tape adhesive on the bottom. I've seen people put the double cement on these or put them embedded in the cement and pretty much leave them. Like, it's not very difficult to get them out there, and they last for many years. I have similar items right now. They've been going on for 3 or 4 years already. People probably have them even longer than that. Now, these are inexpensive, easy to set up, not that much to work, just to leave them, set them and forget it. And we're actually running, we turn off the entire lighting here in my studio so you guys can see how bright it is. But we're also going to take them out to the field so you guys can see them at night. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys, look at this. The house looks nice. Got one light here. We got the second light here to the driveway, to the garage. Not bad. Not bad at all. Coming in. Oh, beautiful. They're all sticking in the grass. There's one. There's another one. And another one. Pretty much it. Looks nice out here.